How to fix Valorant stuck on loading screen. So first, you're gonna press that Windows key and the R key at the same time. You know, the Windows key usually has that little Windows logo on it. Once you do that, this little box pops up on your screen. It's called the Run dialog box. You've probably seen it before. Now, in that box, type in %local app data % exactly as I'm saying it, no spaces or anything, and then hit OK. Okay, now you're gonna see a bunch of folders. What you're looking for is one called Valorant. Find that Valorant folder and right-click on it. You know, the right-click like when you want to do something with a file or a folder. Now, when you right-click, you'll see an option that says delete. Click on that and confirm that you want to delete the folder. Next up, we're gonna head into another folder. This one's called Riot Games. Look for it in the same place where you found the Valorant folder. Inside Riot Games, surprise, you're gonna find another Valorant folder. Repeat the same process, right-click, delete, confirm. Now, let's get back to that Valorant shortcut. Right-click on it again, but this time, choose Open File Location. You'll see the File Explorer window pop up with some folders. Click on Riot Games above. Open up that Valorant folder one more time. Inside that folder, there's another folder called Live. Open it up. Finally, you're gonna see two files in there. One's named Manifest Debug Files Win64 and the other one's Manifest Non-UFS Files Win64. Just delete them. Now, open Valorant and try playing the game. Thanks for tuning in and following along with me today. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below. And hey, if you're facing any other gaming struggles, feel free to drop those in the comments too. I'm always here to help. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more gaming tips and tricks. Until next time, happy gaming.